This morning, again, I want to call upon the MCS. I know you have taken a stand on the issues of my deputy. It touches my office. Therefore, I'll request that you reconsider your position. I know that you have set the day tomorrow to be the debate day on voting. I would urge you, this is what we have again agreed, that you reconsider your position so that we can address those issues outside the Assembly and outside the Senate, if it's possible. Because it's only through this route, and as Bishop Davis mentioned, to see if it's possible, we can resort out. The person who is aggrieved, we can reach out to him, bring them, we discuss, we see the best way out, because that's the only way we can move as a team.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, our Governor for Kisii County, for giving us this opportunity just to fellowship with you and have a time of prayer, especially concerning what has been happening in this great county, Kisii County. We are seeking for the healing of Kisii County, politically and spiritually. So we have come up with a way forward. We have requested our governor to reach out to his political colleagues, and especially those who are in leadership, so that they can have a conversation around bringing peace into this county. We desire to see our leaders come together, despite of their political inclinations or affiliations. So we have requested that he reaches out, especially to the deputy governor. Reach out to him, reach out to the members of parliament, members of the county assembly, and also even reach out to the CS, so that they can actually have a conversation on how we can work together